Did you know the 4 and 20 elders casting their crowns before the divine throne is a pencil drawing and watercolor on paper by the English poet, painter, and printmaker William Blake? 5. This artwork has been housed in London's Tate Gallery since 1949. The piece is a visionary depiction of scenes from chapters 4 and 5 of the Book of Revelation, where the throne of God is revealed to the prophet St. John the Divine. This image directly parallels the human brain, symbolizing the brain as the holy temple where the divine resides. The brain is the seat of infinite intelligence and knowledge, with the brainstem serving as the throne of consciousness. This connection underscores the brain's role as the sacred dwelling place of the divine, aligning Blake's visionary art with the profound symbolism of the mind as a vessel for higher wisdom. The presence of 24 elders in William Blake's The 4 and 20 elders casting their crowns before the divine throne is directly related to the 24 cranial nerves in the human brain, which are paired into 12 distinct cranial nerve pairs. The painting's composition closely resembles the structure of the brain, reinforcing this connection. This alignment reveals that the depiction of the divine throne in the artwork corresponds to the brain's role as a sacred of the universe, embodied divine consciousness of consciousness. This correlation is not a coincidence, but a reflection of the idea that humans, as microcosms of the universe, embody divine consciousness, with the brain serving as the seat of universal intelligence.